Good morning, class second. In English first, our next chapter is The Green Forest. This is a story of two boys who saved the entire forest with other peoples. The name of the two boys are Kushal and Amir. They both were very good friends, and Kushal and Amir were living near the forest. You know na कि we have home, okay, so for our animals, birds also having home, and that is forest. So forest is a home for birds and animals, and lot of trees are there in forest. So in this forest a big jamun tree were there, and they both friends Kushal and Amir were playing with the that jamun tree. They were playing on that tree. In the summer season, they both were taking rest in the shade of that tree. Which tree? Jamun tree. And many birds were having nest on the tree. And they both enjoyed the birds. One year, that tree were having very sweet and juicy purple jamun, and that jamun were all over the tree. That tree was looking very beautiful at that time, and both of them have named that tree Jamuni. One day Kushal and Amir saw three unknown people at the tea stall in their village. They were coming. The three unknown people were coming, and all were having iron axe. And they were talking about the forest, that where is the forest. They were asking the tea stall owner that where is the forest. After that they asked a man who was wearing kurta that can you tell me the way of forest. Now Kushal and Amir was thinking why these men are asking for the forest. Now all three unknown people were going towards the forest. This time also Amir and Kushal was talking to each other that why these unknown people are having axe and why these are talking about the forest. So they decided to follow them. When they come close to the forest, they heard a very loud noise, thuk thuk thuk. What these three people were doing? These three people were cutting the trees. So Kushal starts saying, stop. And why are you cutting these trees? They were asking. And at that time one of the men was very angry and told them to go away. Now Kushal said to call someone for helping them. They asked their teacher to help. They went there and told all the story what happens in the jungle. So their teacher was also very upset after listening the story of these boys. So teacher went to the school and rang the bell. When all the villagers heard the bell and thinking why this bell is ringing on a holiday, the villagers came and asked the matter. Then teacher told about the three strangers, how they are coming in the jungle and how they are cutting the trees. So after listening this, the villagers were also very angry and upset. So they decided to stop these strangers. So the villagers and the teachers go with the two children Amir and Kushal, and strangers were cutting the tree. Which tree? The favorite tree of Kushal and Amir, that is Jamuni tree. And then villagers start shouting, stop, you cannot cut these trees. When these strangers see many people are coming, so they got scared. Immediately they leave their axe and ran away. And the teacher and the villagers were very happy, and they were praising Kushal and Amir for saving the forest and all the trees. And Kushal and Amir was also very happy to save the Jamuni and their forest. In this story we can learn that we cannot cut the trees. We should plant trees because tree give us oxygen, food, everything for living. And you know, oxygen is very important for our life. Now open your English first copy and start doing work. Write date and lesson number and lesson name. Lesson number is lesson 4 and lesson name is the green forest. So keywords we will do, and today we will write keywords in a tree. Draw a big tree and start writing hard words in it. So some hard words I have written here. First is summer, SUMMER, and stranger, STRANGER, purple, PURPLE, forest, FOREST, villagers, VILLAGERS, teacher, TEACHER, holiday, HOLIDAY, stop, STOP. Whatever the pictures I have made and you are making, it's your work to color also, but don't color on a written part. Now do question answers. So what is our first question? Our first question is, one day what did Kushal and Amir see? Write from page number 37. So what did they both see? Three strangers. STRANGERS. So next is, who did Kushal and Amir ask for help? So answer is the teacher and the villagers. The teacher and the villagers. Now take the correct answer. B part we will do in a book. So first is, Kushal and Amir had named the tree Jamuni because what is the correct answer? It bore purple fruit. It was a mango tree. It had purple leaves, or it was purple in color. So it bore purple fruits. That's why they both named the tree Jamuni. The next, Kushal and Amir enjoyed watching what? The stranger cutting down the tree. What they both were enjoying? The bird build nest and feed their babies. The teacher ringing the school bell. The bird play. So the correct answer is, they were enjoying the birds build nest and feed their babies. Take this correct answer. The three strangers carried what? Cameras, buckets, trucks, or axes. So answer is axes. The villagers were very happy, angry, sad, or scared. They were very angry when they heard that three strangers are cutting the tree. So your homework is, read this chapter at least two times, underline hard words, and do this work, keywords and question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.